Good morning. Meron tayong bagong park na pupuntahan. John McLaren.
Yeah.
Ayan o.
Booyah!
Booyah! Boy. Boo.
Booyah.
Boo. Okay,
Booyah.
John McLaren.
Yeah.
Here we come. Ooh, ang lamig. So nice. Ayun o, may laruan doon. Okay. Many people come here?
Yes, hello. There
Especially.
should not be anybody here, but we got the white people took over.
White people took over.
You know, and nobody knew about the park at all.
Oh, that is nice.
I know.
You did not tell me there's a pond.
Surprise. There's ducks in it and shit too.
Oh, there's ducks.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
this is so nice, baby. Oh my gosh.
So,
There's ducks.
it's like staring at us. It's weird.
You did not tell me they're swimming. They're
Yeah.
swimming, you know.
And then you can feed them and everything.
No, there's a sign, no feeding.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. So this is man-made, of course.
Yes.
Where's the ducks?
See that? They're swimming.
Yeah.
Ducks, and that's it looks like I don't know, that's a duck too.
Yeah. You're a duck whisperer.
Yeah.
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 There's a duck.
Mm-hmm.
There's a duck. Ang ganda
Chinese
po
people
dito,
staring very
baby. Ha?
So the Chinese people staring very hard at us.
It's okay.
I know.
This is the nicest. Ang ganda dito. May ano.
And you might see a turtle pop in and out somewhere.
May turtle.
Turtles.
Sorry.
I'm getting the hang of it.
I say turtle.
You said turtle. I said turtle.
Turtle.
Because I'm getting the hang of the
Turtle.
turtle. Yes.
Hello, duck. Duck.
Oh.
Ganda talaga dito, oh. Ayun, there's ducks. Ay, there's more ducks.
Hello, ducks.
Ducks. Ay, yung mga duck na to, naglalakwatsa.
Mm-hmm.
Duck.
That's good eating right there.
You're the father duck.
Yeah, big duck.
You're my ducky.
Captain Duck.
Okay.
That's good. Good morning.
Morning. Ayan. Oh. They're so nice. In the Philippines, it's usually the koi fish.
We gotta bring bread next time.
Huh?
We gotta bring bread next time. That's what I'm
Next time? Oh yeah. I have cat food but I remove it. Anong sabi ng uwak? Kwak. Kwak. Ay malaki, mataba. Sabi ng bibe.
Mataba, mapayat mga bibe, ngunit ang may papak sa likod ay iisa. Siya ang leader na nagsabi ng kwak.
Ooh!
Later.
Next time we'll bring
Bread.
bread and butter. Bread and butter. Ang ganda! Ha?
Your mom might like this place.
Yeah, we don't know this.
Mm-hmm.
Anong sabi ng kwak? Ay mataba.
Mm-hmm.
Ganda. Hello. We're at the park. What park?
We're at John McLaren.
John McLaren. John McLaren Park. John McLaren. Ang ganda. May mga ano doon. May mga There's ducks.
The Taurus.
So, bakit kayo lumalapit? Ha? Bakit kayo lumalapit, mga bibi? Mga bibe? Ha? Bakit? And there's there. Ah! Ganda oh! Ganda be! Ganda! Ang daming lakaran dito. Pero yung matataas, huwag muna.
One left. That's so nice. That one's breathing hard.
So,
Oh, he's wagging his tail. He's so cute.
I ain't doing that.
Oh, you got it.
Oh, they want protein bar.
Yeah.
Oh, they're looking at you. Oh, I want it. I want to feed you. Give me a small one. No.
Yeah, take the protein bar. Yeah, how you doing, man?
Oh, hi. Hello.
Another great day. You too. Oh, yeah.
You hold it. Oh. Baby. Hey, you. Hey, at my.
Yeah, lower him in.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's also good. There's so many geese. Oh, that's good. I have protein bar.
Nobody ran either.
And when we sneeze, we do not cover our mouths.
Oh, no.
That's why. That's why a customer got mad at me.
Hell yeah.
And I say, he said I did not cover my mouth when I sneeze. And I said, what do you want me to do? He left his goods and left the store.
We're going in. Oh, hit one.
Oh, there's so many! Because of that, they want the protein bar.
You got enough protein bars?
Yeah.
Where? On you?
Ah, that's right. Oh, you will give them Skittles. Oh my god.
I don't think they're going to eat these Skittles.
You try.
I don't think I want to feed them a Skittle.
Okay, because it will give.
Fuck with them, huh?
Let me see.
Shit.
Oh, they eat
shit.
Skittles. Oh.
He's like, fuck that
Yeah, one more.
Yeah. This is so bad.
One more.
He's not going to eat that shit.
Yeah. It knows. Oh, wait. Oh, that one ate it. Oh, they want Skittles.
He's trying his ass off.
Yeah, he
You
ate
broke
it.
him. You broke him. Did he eat it?
The other one ate it.
Oh shit. Here we go. Skittle again.
There's a big sign there, no feeding, but we're feeding.
Where?
No, over there. It's okay.
Oh, you ready?
No police.
Oh, yeah, duck police.
No police. No duck police today. For me.
He's still trying to eat that shit. Look, where you going?
That's your Skittles. Where are you?
Oh. Yeah. I don't think we should be feeding them Skittles.
Yeah. Ngayon, kakain tayo sa ramen house. It's still early, pero kain tayo after dun pag-park. Dito, may Burrows, may Subway. Ayan. Mayroong mga I'm going to the ramen. Oh, there's seafood restaurant. That's nice. So, ito tayo. Oh, pero ramen tayo. May malilibre sa atin. Okay, what will we eat? What is that?
This is chicken ramen.
Wow.
There's the ramen in there.
So, ayan, ito kakainin natin. Tinake out lang namin. Okay. Kain tayo!